Century Nasi, GPS, Hipam Langalation, Festival official Manipur, Manipur.
By 7 zeros, so it's a 9-digit number. Out of that, even if you take out just the women voters who voted, the number is more than the combined population of many big countries. So just imagine conducting all this exercise across the country with the same rules and then announcing elections to the counting day on the same day. Not even the United States of America can do that. We should all be proud of this, the way the election commission is involved. 75 years, India has come a long way. Today, if you see the electoral roll of India, it is a very authentic document. It has undergone improvement after improvement. It is one of the most accurate databases of the country. Be it the administrative personnel, be it the security forces, be it the media, everybody works in tandem just for one goal. From this forum, I would like to appeal that with the same zeal, with the same common ideal of ushering in peace once again in the state, we should work on the same lines that the election department works. And I'm very sure that whatever we have lost, whatever we have suffered in the past, have a much more bigger celebration to mark that return of peace.